Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, Today we are going to solve a problem which is from DT, direct taxation, marginal relief area. Uh, Basic concept only, but it needs some attention to solve this problem clearly. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now we can solve any kind of marginal relief with four-step procedure. Uh, the four-step procedure is just follow these four steps. We can solve any kind of problems. Step 1, calculate tax on round amount, which is, for example, individual 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore will be the round amount. Beyond 50 lakhs, there will be one new surcharge. Beyond 1 crore, beyond 50 lakhs, 10 percentage. 1 crore, beyond 1 crore, 15 percentage. Beyond 2 crore, 25 percentage. Beyond 5 crore, 37 percentage, like that. For here, what they have denoted is a domestic company. Okay, before that, we'll just read the question and then we'll step into the steps. Okay, what they have said is, compute the tax liability of X Limited. So it is a domestic company. Assume that the total income of X Limited is 1 crore 1 lakh, and the total income does not include any income in the nature of capital gains. So now no capital gains, pure because capital gains comes under the special tax rates, right? So no, they've clearly said that there is no income included with the no income of capital gains included in the actual business income. The assessee not opted for provisions of section 115 BAB or BAA special rates for domestic companies. And the final notice, the gross receipts of X Limited for previous year 2023-2024 is 402 crore. They are saying that it's over 400 crore. So the tax rate is 30 percentage, right? Okay, how to solve this problem? We can clearly find that uh, uh, the income has been marginally increased by 1 lakh, right? So we are attracting the surcharge, because for companies below 1 crore there is no surcharge. 1 crore to 2 crore, 1 crore to 10 crore, sorry, 7 percentage surcharge. More than 10 crore, 12 percentage surcharge. So this is the surcharge rate, right? So they have been marginally increased, their income has been marginally increased by 1 lakh. So they are attracting, they are falls into the bracket of 7 percentage. So here marginal relief might apply. So we have to check what's the marginal relief amount, and what will be the actual tax liability after considering the marginal relief, right? Okay, now we found the round amount for individual, what it would be for domestic companies, right? Individually, for individual means individual AOP, BOI, AJP, everything comes under here. Okay, domestic companies, for domestic companies the round amount is 1 crore, 10 crore. Okay, if they crosses 1 crore, they'll be paying 7 percentage surcharge. If they crosses 10 crore, they'll be paying 12 percentage surcharge on tax income, or on first level of tax income. Okay, now, so we are going to find out the tax on round amount first. The next is calculate the tax on actual income set in question. Actual income stated in question, which is 1.1 lakh. Okay, 1.1 lakh. Now, then calculate the marginal relief. With these two data, we are going to calculate the marginal relief. Okay, and then finally we are going to find out the tax liability. Okay, right? In the first step, include marginal increase beyond the round amount. Okay, that's it. We are set. Now, what's the income? The income is rupees 1 crore 1 lakh, right? Yes, 1 crore 1 lakh, domestic company. So the first step is round figure we are going to take. The second step is actual we are going to take. Round figure is 1 crore, actual is 1.01 crore. Okay, now what's the tax? Particulars rupees, particulars rupees. 1 crore is the income. 30% is the tax rate. We found no, it's beyond 400 crore. So 30 lakhs, right? 30 lakhs plus what's the surcharge? Surcharge is 0. So no surcharge on 1 crore income. Plus what's the health and education is always 4%. So 30 lakh into 4%, which is 1 lakh 20,000, 31 lakh 20,000. Okay, so okay, if we are if he doesn't consider the marginal relief, then this will be your tax liability, right? But we are considering the marginal relief here. So what we have to do is we should erase the health and education says at 4%. So we have to stick around here. Plus what we have to do, what's the marginal increase? Marginal increase is 30 lakhs, which is beyond 1 crore. We have marginal increase of 1 lakh. So total 31 lakh, right? Yes, we found the first step. What's the second step? Second step is having 1 crore 1 lakh income into 30%. So 1 crore 1 lakh income into 30%, which is 30 lakh 30,000. Okay, what's the surcharge? Surcharge at 7% into 107%, which is 32 lakh 42,100. Yes, we found out the step 2 also. We should not here be careful, we should not add the HEC because we are going to consider the marginal relief before the HEC process, which is health and education sales process. Okay, right? So step 1 minus step 2. Step 1, what's the step 1 amount? Tax on, sorry, step 2 minus step 1. What is step 2? Which is tax on 1.01 crore excluding HEC, which is how much? 32 lakh 41,000, sorry, 42,100 minus step 1, which is tax on 1 crore excluding HEC plus marginal increase, which is how much? 31 lakh. So we got positive, which is 32,42,100 minus 31 lakh, which is 1,42,100. So this will be our marginal relief. Okay, so we got the marginal relief of 1,42,000. If we get the marginal relief itself, the value we are going to use for tax purpose will be step 1. Okay, anyways, what the usual step what we do is we take the marginal relief and we deduct it with step 2, which is the actual income, right? So even though the answer will be same, tax calculation of tax liability, just the step 2, tax on 1.01 crore excluding HEC, which is 32 lakh 42,100 minus margin relief, which is how much? 1 lakh 40,100 divisible by, say, not divisible, the difference would be 31 lakh. It would be same as it is, so that's why we can directly take. And plus health and education cess at 4 percentage, so 31,000 into 4 percentage, which is 1 lakh 24,000. The total tax liability will be 32 lakh 24,000, right? This is our tax liability. That's it. So with a simple 4-step procedure, we can easily solve this problem without any confusion. So this is one kind of problem considering domestic company. We'll solve another problem using individual tomorrow. Thank you.